In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Salesforce license from user 5 minutes. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, plus a few helpful tips so you understand what's happening behind the scenes. This process requires Salesforce admin permissions because you'll be changing a user's status and freeing up a license for someone else to use. To begin, log into your Salesforce org as an administrator. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon. This is your gateway to configuration. Make sure you choose the setup area rather than personal settings, since we're managing users at the org level. From there, open Advanced Setup. This takes you to full administrative console where you can access all configuration options. On the left-hand side, you'll see the quick find search box, type users, and then select users from the results. This is where you can view, search, and manage every user in your org. Locate the person whose license you want to free up. You can use the search bar, sort by name, or filter by active users to find them quickly. When you see the correct record, click Edit next to their name to open their user detail page. On the Edit page, deselect the active checkbox. In Salesforce, you don't delete users, you deactivate them. Unchecking active immediately prevents the user from logging in and releases their Salesforce license while preserving all of their records, history, and ownership. This is important for data integrity and audit trails. When you uncheck active, Salesforce may display a confirmation pop-up. Click OK to proceed, then click Save to finalize the change. If Salesforce detects that the user is still referenced somewhere critical, like scheduled jobs, default ownership, or key configuration, it will show you an error message with what needs attention. Review the message, address the indicated items, and then return to save again. Once saved successfully, the user is deactivated, and the license is now available to assign to someone else. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Deactivation takes effect immediately, and their access is cut off right away. All existing data remains intact, and you can always reactivate the user in the future by checking the active box again, as long as a license is available. If you're planning a team change, consider doing this during a low activity window to avoid surprises. That's it. You've logged in, gone to Setup, opened Advanced Setup, used Quick Find to reach users, edited the user, unchecked active, confirmed, and saved. Your license is now freed up and ready for reuse.